Paula.
And I'm Michael.
And together we are Cruisability. Now we're here to announce the Golden Duck giveaway. These little ducks, we have several hundred of them, and all you have to do is walk up to us, show us you are subscribed to Cruisability, and you win a little golden duck. Aren't they adorable?
Now we call that the Golden Duck giveaway, and there's more.
Yes. Now, in addition, anytime during the cruise, the very first person who walks up, and okay, I should say, anytime during the cruise after luggage has been delivered. Anytime during the cruise after luggage has been delivered. We will have the golden ducks on us when we enter the ship. But anytime during the cruise, after luggage has been delivered, the first person who walks up to us and says,
Michael, are you Santa?
Michael, are you Santa? Because Michael is a professional Santa. They win a plush duck.
Now this will be the first person per cruise.
Yep, there's going to be several cruises in a row. So the first person who walks up and says, Michael, are you Santa? Wins a Santa-themed duck. Additionally, anytime on the very last sea day that you walk up to us, the first person who walks up and says, I'm freezing my feathers off because I personally am going to be freezing.
No, it's really, I'm freezing my feathers off.
You can say it with a lot of enthusiasm.
Now, why is that? Well, we've looked at the forecast of the Alaska cruises there, and the ports are showing like 43, 44 degrees is low, and maybe in the 50s for the highs. So it's going to be a little colder than when we went last year when it was like 65.
So make sure you wear layers. Layers are your friend in Alaska. So ducks are so fun. Sorry, it takes him a second to quit quacking.
Now,
so
anytime during the cruise.
Now, again, we have the golden ducks, and then
the golden ducks. You got the
plush ducks.
Are you Michael? Are you Santa?
Ducks.
Ducks. Now that's the M.A.U.S clause. M.A.U.S. Michael, are you Santa?
Again, golden ducks for Cruisability is golden. The plush ducks for Michael, are you Santa? And then we have these for I'm freezing my feathers off. And for everybody on the ship, we have ducks packaged up with our QR code so that you can subscribe at any time. Now,
there's one more giveaway, but before we get into that, we want to mention something else. As you've probably heard, there was a couple of ladies who got
on the naughty list.
Got on the naughty list, really.
They got in a slap fight in front of
the guest services.
And not only did they, one lady accused another lady of not being in the right line. They were both diamond. They both are no longer diamond and can no longer cruise anymore. So don't get on the naughty list, especially with Carnival or with Santa.
Now, there's some people who would say, well, this is old news. And it is. But misbehavior aboard the cruise ships has not been. It's a very frequent occurrence, and that's very unfortunate.
Just have a good time. No other people are trying to have a good time too. And speaking of a good time, please help us hit 1,500 subscribers because we have a great big giveaway.
Now, give me a second here to do this. This is really, really big.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now, this fellow here is going to be giving away on the cruise that we hit 1,500. That's 1,500 subscribers.
I just want to give you an idea how big this duck is compared to us. This duck is huge. Quack, quack, quack. So, 1,500 subscribers. Soon as we hit 1,400 subscribers,
1,500.
no. As soon as we hit 1,400, we're going to make sure that we have that duck on the cruise with us. And it will be given away once we hit 1,500. So we will come up with a special giveaway for that. In the meantime, we have thousands of bagged up, and we tend to bag them up so that they are hygienic for little kids, and you know that they've not been exposed. When we have our cruise to Costa Maya on the Jubilee, we've got little flamingo ducks. We've got all kinds of ducks to be given away. We have 7 cruises this summer. So
we have tons and tons and tons. So look for the 3D printed ducks on the Luminosa, as well as the other variety of things. Santa themed ducks.
Plush ducks.
The plush ducks giveaway. The golden duck giveaway. The 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And so we look forward to having everybody come up and say hi and ask for a duck and show us that you're a subscriber and get a gold duck while supplies last. And it ought to be lots and lots of fun. And we hope everybody remembers to be good always.
Always, always. Where did the one go? The one that hangs on my cart. I will have a duck hanging on my cart, and you will know that we've not given away the plush duck until I have the duck off of my cart on the last sea day. I'll only have it the last sea day. So come up to us, say hi. We love to meet our subscribers. Don't be bashful. Anything you want to know about Alaska, go ahead and ask us. We have cruised to Alaska. This will be our 6th and 7th Alaskan cruise. We did 4 of them last summer. We're doing 2 this summer. We've done them before last year as well. So ask away. If we don't know, we'll try to help you find out.
So we will see you aboard the Luminosa, and it's going to be an exciting, exciting summer, because after the Luminosa, we'll be going on to the Jubilee, where we are doing a back-to-back-to-back-to-back.
We have 4 weeks in a row on the Jubilee, and we'll have a larger plush duck for each of those. We apologize that we're only doing this size for the Luminosa, but we are going to be flying in, and we've already got an entire suitcase full of nothing but ducks. And you can blame Southwest because they now charge for luggage. So I'm only willing to pay for a certain amount of luggage and not more. But anyway, we'll see you aboard.
We'll see you aboard, and we will see you next time here at Cruisability.
If you are not subscribed, click that subscribe button, leave us a comment, and please share our channel. Help us hit 1,500. Bye for now.
Bye.